Welcome to the 20% mystery video, where we explore why modern batteries seem to fail exactly when you need them most. Most users think the battery indicator is like a fuel gauge. In reality, it is a mathematical estimate. This is the hardware-software gap. Chemical degradation, specifically the buildup of the solid electrolyte interphase layer, consumes active lithium, increases resistance, and leads to heat generation. The physics of voltage sag means that as internal resistance rises, the voltage drops drastically under high power demand. The battery management system triggers an immediate emergency cutoff if the voltage falls too low to prevent damage. This chart illustrates how an aged battery hits the critical shutdown level under load much sooner than a fresh one, long before it is truly empty. The battery estimate drifts due to three main factors: Coulomb counting inaccuracy, thermal memory, and calibration drift if you rarely charge to 100% or drain to 0%. Once a battery reaches the 80% health threshold, voltage sag becomes exponentially more common. This often results in limp mode, where manufacturers throttle CPU performance to prevent sudden shutdown. Environmental factors, especially the cold, cause, quote, chemical paralysis, doubling the internal resistance instantly. A phone with 40% charge in 0 degrees Celsius weather can shut down rapidly under high load. The battery management system architecture uses components like voltage monitors and thermal fuses to protect the cell. This safety-first programming is what triggers the 20% shutdown. The table compares a fresh battery with an aged one. Notice how internal resistance jumps from 20 to 50 milliohms to 150 to 300 milliohms, and peak performance is throttled in the aged battery. Typical battery wear shows that after around 800 cycles, 15% of the capacity is in a volatile phantom zone, and another 15% is a dead zone that triggers instant shutdown.